Welcome to Pramod's Tasty Kitchen. Today we want to prepare methi ka paratha. It's very simple and straightforward recipe. It's not complicated. Even the new people who are trying their hands in kitchen, they can also prepare it. I'll show you my ingredients. I have taken about 4 cup of whole wheat flour. Then I have taken about 8 to 10 bunches of methi and cleaned it up. I have taken about 8 to 10 bunches of methi and clean it up. I'm going to chop it. Final chop I'll do, and then I will mix it. I've taken about 3-4 green chilies and chopped it fine chopping. Then about 1 inch of ginger I have grated and 1 teaspoon of hing. So let's get started. So I'm going to add about 1 spoon of salt in this. You can add a little extra because the 4 cup of wheat. Then we're going to add half tablespoon of red chili. Then garam masala, little bit of 1 spoon of coriander powder. And this will add our hing and ginger. Okay, then we'll add our chilies. And now we'll chop our methi and we'll put it to our dough or to our mixture. A bunch of methi, we'll hold it like this on chopping board and we'll cut it small. Just be careful with your fingers, don't cut your fingers. If you feel it's not properly chopped, you can just hold it back again together and just cut like this. Okay, so we have chopped over all the methi. Now we'll add into our dough or our mixture. This will add little bit of oil. Give a good mix to this first, and then we'll use water to make our dough. We have given a good mix to all mixture and methi patti. Now we'll add little by little water and make a soft dough. Guys, our dough is almost all ready. What I generally do, I keep this dough like this, or maybe we can roll it up and then put it in some other vessel for half an hour before we make parathas. The way you know your dough is ready is you should not be getting any leftovers. It's all get together. Even if you're getting this little bit down, which is getting stuck, you can just sprinkle a little bit of dry wheat flour and this all will go away there. I've sprinkled a little bit of dry flour. Now see, it will come together nicely well now. Only thing you have to make sure that your dough should not be very hard, it should not be very soft, it should be medium to soft kind of thing. You see, it's not sticking anywhere, it's all cleaned properly, your hands are cleaned up, so that means your dough is ready now. So you just need to put it into a bowl and cover it and keep it aside for half an hour to 45 minutes. That's always good practice. Even if you are making just a fulkas, I would recommend doing that. It will actually let all the chemical reactions happen in the wheat flour with the water and other spices which we have added, and it really comes up with good taste and softness. Guys, our dough is ready. I'm transferring it to a bowl. I'll cover it up with a wet cloth, or if we can just cover it with some plate on top of it and leave it for half an hour to 45 minutes. So I have tucked in our dough inside this, and I put in a wet cloth on top of it, and we'll leave it for half an hour to 45 minutes. Dough for about 45 minutes now. We'll take a big ball size, roll it up. A little bit oil, a little bit oil on this side. A little bit more oil here. Dusting on both the sides. Using a rolling pin, we will roll it. So guys, we have rolled our paratha, and I have already heated up our tawa. We'll apply a little bit oil before we put the paratha on top of it. Now we'll take our paratha. Let it get heated up. We'll apply a little bit oil on both the sides, guys, and we'll cook our paratha. So guys, I have cooked another paratha. It's nicely cooked. This is the way we should. Methi paratha is ready. You can serve with pickle, butter, or even with curd. You can have it with a tea if you don't want anything else. It goes well with that because it will be salted. It's really good, tasty. Please do try and let me know your experience. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, Pramod's Tasty Kitchen. And click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new recipes on time. Thank you.